Most iPhone users never check these App Store settings, but they can affect your storage, data usage, and even how your apps behave. Let's look at 3 important App Store settings you should know about. For this, open the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Now select App Store. Under Automatic Downloads, you'll find 3 settings worth checking. The first one is App Downloads. When this setting is enabled, any app you download or purchase on another Apple device using the same Apple account can automatically install on your iPhone. This is great if you own multiple Apple devices and want your apps to stay in sync automatically. However, if you share an Apple account with family members or use multiple devices for different purposes, you may prefer turning it off to avoid unwanted apps appearing on your iPhone. Next is App Updates. When enabled, your iPhone automatically installs app updates as they become available. For most people, keeping this turned on is the best choice because you'll always have the latest features, bug fixes, performance improvements, and security updates without doing anything manual. On the other hand, some users prefer turning it off so they can control when updates are installed, especially if they want to avoid unexpected design changes or save mobile data. Finally, there is in-app content. This allows apps to download content in the background before you even open them. For example, some apps may prepare files, news feeds, game content, or other data ahead of time so everything loads faster when you launch the app. Keeping this enabled can provide a smoother experience because content is often ready when you need it. However, turning it off may help reduce background activity, save some battery life, and limit data usage, especially if you're on a slower connection or have limited mobile data. For most users, I would recommend keeping app updates enabled, while the other 2 settings depend on how you use your devices and whether you prefer convenience or more control. Take a moment to review these settings and choose what works best for you. If this tip was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips and hidden settings, and share this with someone who uses an iPhone every day. Thanks for watching.